We are all taught the exact same financial formula from childhood. Work hard, live below your means, and put your extra cash into a savings account. We are told that saving money is the responsible path to wealth. But in the modern economy, this advice is not just outdated. It is a mathematical trap. If you are hoarding cash in a traditional bank account, you are not building a fortress. You are sitting on a melting block of ice. Every single day, a silent thief is reaching into your vault and stealing a fraction of your life's work. Today, we are going to look at the ancient philosophy of flow, the devastating mechanics of inflation, and why the ultimate financial risk is playing it safe. Welcome to the Wealth Paradox. In 500 BC, the Greek philosopher Heraclitus observed the nature of the universe and wrote down a single profound truth. Panta rhei. Everything flows. He famously stated, "You cannot step into the same river twice, for other waters are continually flowing on." Most people think this is just a metaphor about time, but it is the exact blueprint of modern economics. Money is not a static object. It is a current. The word currency literally comes from the Latin word currere, meaning to flow. When you put $10,000 into a bank account and leave it there for 5 years, you think it is safe. But just like Heraclitus's river, you cannot withdraw the same dollar twice. The numbers on your screen might look the same, but the power behind them has been washed away. Here is the brutal math of the fiat system. Governments constantly print new money to fund their debts. As the supply of money expands, the value of every single dollar already in existence drops. This is inflation. Let's say your bank pays you a generous 2% interest on your savings, but the real inflation rate of housing, food, and energy is 6%. You are not making 2%. You are losing 4% of your purchasing power every single year. Mathematically, your savings account is bleeding to death. In the Roman Empire, Emperor Nero secretly began melting down the silver denarius coin and replacing it with cheap copper to fund his empire. The citizens thought they were saving silver, but they were hoarding worthless metal. The exact same thing is happening to your bank account today. You are trading your irreplaceable time for a currency that is engineered to become worthless. So, here is your asymmetrical rule for this week. The Law of Allocation. Poor people save money. Wealthy people allocate capital. You must stop viewing your money as a stagnant pool and start treating it as a dynamic workforce. To beat the silent thief of inflation, you must buy things that float on top of the river. This means converting your melting cash into hard assets. Equities, real estate, precious metals, or your own business. You need assets that automatically adjust their price upward as the government prints more money. Do not hoard the water. Build a boat. Get your money out of the vault and put it to work. If this shifted your perspective, subscribe for more. This is the Wealth Paradox.